Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gamma Utils. This powerful client-side mod helps you see clearly in Minecraft's darkest areas. It allows you to adjust your game's gamma and brightness settings far beyond the default limits, making nights and caves much more visible. This means less fumbling in the dark and more confident exploration. Gamma Utils makes dark areas in Minecraft much brighter. You can easily toggle your gamma between 100% and 1500% using the default G key. For even better visibility, press H to activate client-side night vision, which works especially well in deep caves and during the darkest in-game nights. This helps you explore without missing details. You have full control over Gamma Utils. All settings are customizable through the configuration file or the in-game mod menu. You can set specific gamma percentages using commands like /gammaset or adjust the step percentage for incremental changes. Additionally, enable smooth transitions for a less abrupt change when toggling gamma, enhancing your visual experience. Remember, Gamma Utils is a client-side mod, meaning it works without server installation. However, always verify server rules before use, as some communities may not permit it. For optimal visual quality, especially with shaders, consider using the night vision feature, as it often integrates more smoothly than extremely high gamma settings. Enjoy your brighter Minecraft adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.